Vidhi Tukral. I'm currently working as a legal researcher with the Center for Environmental Law, WWF. I did my BCom Honours from Delhi University and I did Company Secretarial course alongside. Thereafter, I started working with a company in the Company Secretarial division. And that is when I realized that I need to do law, and I enrolled myself in the Jindal Global Law School for the 3 years LLB program. While I was doing LLB course from Jindal Law School, I was initially focusing only on corporate law internships since I had CS degree with me. It was only in the last semester of my LLB that I got to intern with Center for Environmental Law, WWF, where I realized that I'm really interested in the issues of environmental law, forest and wildlife. And this internship ignited my interest in this field so much so that I wanted to deliberately make a career move in this. So after my LLB, I got the opportunity to work with Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, and I was working with the Impact Assessment Division. I was taking care of the mining matters there, and working with ministry gave me an idea as to how the ministry assesses the project, what do they actually see, and how what are the different stages involved in a project. This definitely reinforced my interest in the environmental law field, and I wanted to take it ahead. So exploring from where to do my LLM from, and I was also considering few foreign universities. So when I got to know that Jindal is launching its LLM program in environmental law, energy and climate change, in collaboration with WWF, I actually kept my plans on hold to pursue an LLM from abroad because I know what both these institutes offer. I had done my law from Jindal, and I know that Jindal does not compromise with the quality of education and faculty. On the other hand, I also interned with WWF, so I was also aware to some extent about their functioning. So when both these institutes are coming up with the LLM program, I actually had no second thoughts. So the LLM program is well tailored for working professionals, as the classes are held on Thursday, Friday evenings and the Saturday the whole day. Also, the combination of environment law, energy and climate change is very unique in itself, and all these three cannot be studied in silos. They are interconnected with each other. The subjects which are offered in this LLM program are very interesting. So we have environmental law in national context, we have environmental law in international context, energy laws, adaptation to climate change, and a mandatory field study visit. All these subjects offers the students to understand the environmental law issues from a very closer lens. We also have a mandatory dissertation writing program for which we have professors and supervisors guiding us throughout. All the professors of this course are just an email or a call away. So one of the unique thing about this program is how they assess and evaluate the students. They are very flexible in their approach. So we had discussion forums, we had reaction papers, we had take-home examinations, we had different workshops where we were assessed. We also had quiz. So it was not that towards the end of the semester we only had exams. We were assessed on a continuous basis. Environment law is definitely a niche field, but it definitely doesn't act as a hindrance in getting any employment opportunities. In fact, by specializing in environment law, energy and climate change, one has the option to get into litigation. One can associate themselves with international organizations, NGOs, think tanks, and can even pursue their academic interests further.